Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate image and video with AI using text to image feature and also text to video feature for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up the Google AI Studio. You can visit this website aistudio.google.com and then you're going to go to the generate media option. Alright, and if you want to generate an image, you can choose this imagine feature. Okay, this is text to video feature that you can use to generate image. You can describe the image that you want to create here, guys. And for the description, usually I ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. And then I'm going to copy the prompt and go back to this menu. We can paste it and then we can click on run. And the AI will generate an image for us using the prompt. Okay, and before you generate image, you can set the image here, for example, the aspect ratio and also the output resolution. Okay, now it's done. And if you want to download it, you can click on download. Okay, I'm going to save it to my device and now it's done. The image has been saved to my device. And then if you want to generate a video, guys, you can use VEO. It's a text to video feature. Here you can describe the video that you want to create. And for the video, I'm going to use this prompt. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the Google AI Studio and we can paste the description and then click on run. But it can take longer time, and yeah, sometimes you will fail to generate a video because here I'm using the free one. If you want to generate more video, you can subscribe to Google AI Studio, but you can still generate it for free. But yeah, you need to wait for the AI to generate a video for you. Or if you don't want to use Google AI Studio, I would like to recommend you another AI that you can try. You can go to the Pixverse. It's also free, but it needs credits. But don't worry because you can get daily credit for free. Okay, you need to sign into this website with your Google account and then you can generate a video here. Okay, you just need to paste the prompt. And wait guys, I'm going to copy this prompt and I'm going to go back to the Pixverse. And to generate a video, we need 20 credits. But don't worry because we can still get the credits. I'm going to click on create and then we just need to wait for a moment. Okay, and this is the previous video I have generated using Pixverse. And you can see the video I have generated, guys. And yeah, that's so cool. And it's free. Okay, and this is the result. If you want to download it, you can click on this download icon. And the video will be saved to your device. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.